Hi there, I'm Hannah Harris, and I'm an organizational associate with Pieces into Place, and I'm going to show you how I organize my master bedroom closet. This is my master bedroom closet. As you can see, it's rather small. I live in a home that was built in 1939, and often closets are quite small and not plentiful in older homes, so this one's no exception. I share the closet with my husband. My clothes are on the left and his are on the right. Some recent improvements I made to the closet include a shelf divider that I got at the Container Store that helps my husband keep his sweaters and sweatshirts in neat piles. And I've also just repurposed some containers that I had around the house to kind of corral things. Like that gray one up there has baseball hats in it, and the containers over there have like sewing materials and nylons that I never ever wear but can't seem to throw away, and some shoe polish items. And then this container right here, this basket, I just put turtlenecks in because it's still kind of wintry. I might want to wear one, but I don't really wear them a lot, only when I'm doing something outside and it's really cold. One item I've been using for a long time is this just simple sweater pants organizer. So in the first two sections up top, I have pants, and then I have sweaters and sweatshirts. I find that putting my pants in this hanging shelf helps me see them better rather than in a drawer stacked one on top of the other. And for a while I had them up on the upper shelf, but because I'm only 5'2", they're just easier for me to reach in this position. So there are my clothes, not very many. I only have clothes that I'm wearing during the winter season hanging here. And then on the floor, I try to keep it kind of open because I just like the way it looks and it makes it easier to walk into the closet. File boxes. Okay, so that's kind of strange. Let me explain. My home office is in my bedroom, so that makes them more easily accessible when they're in this closet and they're out of the way and I don't have to look at them. So here's the closet, all free and open. And over there we just have a few pieces of luggage that we use on a more frequent basis. And right around the corner here, my ironing board. I do not like ironing. I do not want to see my ironing board, so there it is hidden. Another thing I want to show you that I use to store out of season clothes are under bed storage containers. There's lots of different options. Hard plastic, these happen to be soft, kind of nylon material, zip up units, which I like because then they keep the dust off of the clothes. And right now they're sitting next to my bed, which is kind of strange, instead of under my bed, because my bed is sitting on the floor at the moment. I'm putting together a new bed frame and I needed to order a part. So my bed sits on the floor with these things next to them, which of course I move out of the way when we're actually using the bedroom so we don't trip over them. And the last thing I'd like to show you is the closet that is in the hallway right outside my master bedroom. Another small closet, yet handy to have because I store shoes, like in this over-the-door shoe organizer, that are more spring and summer type shoes. And I also store clothing that are for those same seasons that I'm not wearing right now because it's not warm enough. I happen to also store some purses there. I hang them on hangers. I've got a pair of boots right there that I've just used like a clip hanger to hang them up. Yeah, they are winter boots, but I just didn't wear them much this winter, but I don't want to get rid of them, so it's a nice, easy way to hang them and keep them out of the way. And then on the floor here, I have other pieces of luggage lined up, ready for use. And, well, I suppose I could have closed that, but that is our laundry chute, so it's convenient to have. That's all I have for you today, so if you have any questions about anything you've seen in this video, please feel free to reach out to me at hannah@piecesintoplace.com. And please know that we are doing virtual organizing sessions. So visit the website, piecesintoplace.com, and schedule a consultation. Thank you.